Hello all. Trust me that it was actually very difficult to decide upon which coaching classes our child should join to be successful in the future endeavors that the child has, and to achieve the objective, the aims. But after meeting the teachers, the faculty at Turtle Tutorials, and also after seeing the actually a very good infrastructure, I should say a state of the art infrastructure that Turtle Tutorial has, it was very easy to decide that yes, this is the place where our child should take the coaching classes. The faculty at Turtle Tutorial is very enthusiastic about their work. They are very young and yet very experienced professionals, and especially in this the period of a corona outbreak, the responsibility that the faculty has shown is really commendable, and the way they are conducting the online classes and the interactive sessions that they are running is actually really something which should be appreciated and really commendable. And especially when there are hardly any other coaching classes which have been successful conducting online interactive classes during this period. Actually, a difficult period wherein you cannot move out of your place, but then your child is uh, continuously taking the classes with that ease at home, and there is no loss, actually no loss to the classes, to the education that your child was supposed to get. So I'm very sure that it was a wise decision, and we are very hopeful that our child will get a good rank in the JEE, and I wish all the very best to the faculty, to the this turtle tutorial coaching classes, and my best wishes to all the children taking these classes. And as a father, I should say, especially to my child, my best wishes, and I'm very hopeful that all good is going to happen in the future.